Some of Hollywood's craziest animal movies, yeah, they really happened. Let's talk about the real legends. Alright, number 5, Dolphin Tale. Winter the dolphin lost her tail, learned to swim again, no special effects, just guts and smarts. 4, 8 Below, based on sled dogs in Antarctica, surviving the cold long after the humans bail. Resilience? These dogs wrote the book. 3, Hachi a Dog's Tale. Yeah, that loyal pup who waited for his owner at the train station every single day. True story, grab a tissue. 2, Seabiscuit, a real underdog racehorse who became a national hero in the Great Depression. Hollywood couldn't make this stuff up. And number 1, Free Willy. The whale's name? Keiko. He was rescued from a tiny tank. Fans campaigned and Hollywood made it happen for real. Crazy, right? If you love these wild stories, hit that subscribe button. See you soon.